Hi students. So I'm gonna walk you through how to use Bitly to create a shortened URL. So as you may all encounter this before, a lot of time when we were trying to share URL to our students, especially with young students, it's really hard because the URL is really long. For example, it could be like this. And then it's really hard for a teacher to say, oh, please type https dot slash to and then nces dot ed dot gov slash blah blah blah. It's really hard. So what we can do is actually create a customized shortened URL. And this could be beneficial because it's easier for you to share a URL, even for your own presentation for your PD events. It could be very fast for your audience to access your presentation. All right, so without further ado, let's just go to the Bitly. If you already knew how to do this, you can skip this tutorial. You can sign up, or if you already have an account, like me, I'll just log in. Let's see if I remember my password. All right. Um, okay. So what you're gonna do is just click. It's really easy. Just click this create bit link, and then find your edu block URL, copy it, and then paste your long URL here, and then it will automatically generate one for you. And then the cool thing about this website is, so if you're using like a Google shortened URL, it will become like a Google L something, and then it give you like a short number too. But the cool thing about Bitly is you can actually customize it. So how you can do this is you can change this by go to this customize box, and then you can change this to like make it easier. ed my ECU blog. So it's like easier for you to say it out loud and to share with other people. And then I click save. If it's used, then it will say, oh, it's been used, and then please change to another one. But if it's not, then you can use it. Now this URL has become, let me quickly save, and then I can copy it. Now this customized bit links has become the link to access my edu blog. Let's try it. See that? It becomes a short URL for my audience or for other people to access my blog. Um, it's very easy for us to share our EDUC blog because we name it shorter. But if you have like a really long URL, for example, a presentation, something like this, it's like super long, and then this website becomes really handy. And the cool thing is that you can customize it. So that's all, and then I would like you to practice and then share the link, share your bit link on the near part with all of us. So that would be all for this week's hands-on activity. I'll see you next week. No, we're not seeing next week. Next week's spring break. Have a great spring break. See you later.